Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining us today on Motor World USA. In today's video we're going to take an in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota Coaster. This vehicle has long been a staple in the commercial transport industry, and for 2026 Toyota has made updates that continue to make it a reliable and versatile choice for businesses, schools, tour operators, and anyone else looking for a comfortable people mover. Over the next several minutes we'll explore everything you need to know about this minibus, including its performance, interior design, comfort features, safety technologies, practical uses, pros and cons, and whether it's a smart investment for your fleet or organization. Let's begin. When we talk about the Toyota Coaster, we are talking about a vehicle that has built a reputation over decades as one of the most dependable minibuses in the world. Whether it's used in bustling cities, quiet suburbs, or rugged rural areas, the Coaster has earned respect for its durability and ability to handle heavy use. The 2026 model continues this legacy. At its core, the Coaster is built to transport people safely, comfortably, and economically over long distances. And because it's a Toyota, you can expect a level of reliability that few competitors can match. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Coaster is powered by a robust diesel engine. This engine has been tuned to deliver a balance of power and efficiency that's well suited for a vehicle of this size. While exact figures can vary by market and configuration, the engine typically produces enough torque to handle full passenger loads, hills, and highway driving without strain. The diesel engine remains a mainstay because it provides longevity and lower fuel costs compared to many gasoline alternatives, especially in commercial use cases. One of the first things you'll notice when stepping into the Coaster is the driving position. Toyota has designed the driver's area with ergonomics in mind. The seats are supportive and adjustable, giving the driver a commanding view of the road ahead. Controls are laid out clearly and within easy reach, reducing fatigue during long shifts. A comfortable driver is a safer driver, and Toyota understands this well. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, and with large mirrors and optional cameras, maneuvering this bus in tight spaces becomes much easier. Moving beyond the driver's seat, let's talk about seating capacity and interior space. The 2026 Coaster typically accommodates around 29 passengers, though exact configurations can vary depending on how the seating is arranged. Some versions may offer fewer seats for more luggage space or special needs accommodations. Regardless of configuration, the interior feels spacious and well ventilated. Toyota has made sure there's ample headroom and legroom for passengers, which is something that often gets overlooked in buses of this size. Climate control is another important aspect of passenger comfort, and the Coaster delivers here as well. With a powerful air conditioning system that includes vents distributed throughout the cabin, it ensures that passengers stay cool and comfortable even on hot days. For operators in regions with extreme temperatures, this can make a huge difference in customer satisfaction. Let's take a moment to talk about materials and build quality. Toyota has always been known for using high-quality materials that stand up to wear and tear, and the Coaster is no exception. Seats are covered in durable fabric that can withstand frequent use without showing significant wear. Floors and panels are built to be easy to clean, which is an important consideration for vehicles that see a lot of daily traffic. Whether you're running a school route or a shuttle service, you want something that can hold up day after day, and that's exactly what the Coaster is designed to do. On the tech front, the 2026 model offers features that keep pace with modern expectations. While the Coaster is not a luxury vehicle, it does include a user-friendly infotainment system in the driver's area with Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free calling, and navigation support in many configurations. These features help enhance safety and convenience, especially for drivers who are on the road for long periods. Auxiliary ports make it easy to connect devices, and the sound system is clear enough for announcements or music. Now let's shift over to safety. In any vehicle designed to carry large numbers of people, safety is a top priority. Toyota has equipped the 2026 Coaster with a suite of safety features that help protect both the driver and passengers. Standard features typically include anti-lock brakes, stability control, and multiple airbags. In addition, the structural integrity of the vehicle is designed to withstand impacts and protect occupants. Optional safety enhancements like rear-view cameras, parking sensors, and lane departure warnings are available in different markets and trims, further aiding in preventing accidents. Another important consideration for commercial vehicles is serviceability and cost of ownership. Here again, The Toyota coaster shines. Toyota's extensive global service network means that parts and maintenance expertise are widely available in most regions where the coaster is sold. Routine maintenance is straightforward, and Toyota's engineering emphasizes long intervals between service stops. For business owners, that translates into less downtime and lower operating costs over time. While no vehicle is maintenance-free, the coaster has a track record of being easy to work on and affordable to keep running. Fuel economy is another factor we should cover. As a diesel-powered commercial vehicle, the coaster isn't going to match the MPG figures of a small car, but within its class, it offers respectable efficiency. Exact numbers depend on load, driving conditions, and configuration, but operators often find that the coaster delivers a reasonable cost per mile when compared with older or less efficient alternatives. In markets where fuel costs are high, this efficiency can make a significant difference in operating budgets. Let's talk a bit more about the practical use cases for the 2026 Toyota Coaster. This minibus is incredibly versatile. Many schools around the world use it as a dependable school bus. Its size makes it easier to navigate in urban and suburban environments compared to full-size buses. Tour operators love the coaster because it offers a comfortable ride while carrying enough passengers to make tours cost-effective. Airports and hotels also use it as a shuttle bus, moving guests and visitors between terminals, parking areas, and facilities. In some regions, government agencies and nonprofits use the coaster for community transport services, helping people get to medical appointments, community centers, or social events. Because it's not too large, it can often access areas that would be difficult for larger transit buses. All of these use cases reflect the coaster's core strengths: reliability, ease of driving, and passenger comfort. Of course, no vehicle is perfect, and we should also cover some of the limitations you might encounter with the 2026 coaster. First, the ride quality, while generally comfortable, can feel firm when the bus is not fully loaded. This is common in vehicles designed primarily for commercial use, and it's something to keep in mind if you plan to transport passengers on long highway journeys frequently. Suspension upgrades are available in some markets, and experienced operators can dial in settings that help improve ride comfort. Another point is that while the coaster offers many modern features, it isn't a luxury vehicle. If your priority is premium appointments, leather seating, or high-end entertainment systems for passengers, you may need aftermarket solutions or to look at higher-end alternatives. The coaster focuses on practicality and durability over luxury, and that's part of what makes it such a workhorse. Let's also touch on pricing and market availability. The 2026 Toyota Coaster is offered in various markets around the world, and pricing can vary significantly depending on your location, taxes, import duties, and dealer options. In many regions, the coaster is considered a premium option in the minibus segment, and while it may have a higher upfront cost compared to some competitors, its resale value and reliability often justify the investment. If you're thinking about adding one to your fleet, it's a good idea to get price quotes from multiple dealers and consider financing options that make sense for your budget. For many business owners and fleet managers, the question isn't just whether the coaster is a good vehicle, but whether it's the right fit for their specific needs. To help you think through that, here are some questions you might consider. How many passengers do you need to carry on a regular basis? Will the coaster be driving mostly in urban areas with frequent stops, or on highways between cities? What are your priorities when it comes to comfort versus cost? How important is fuel efficiency to your operation? Answers to these questions will help you decide whether the coaster is the ideal choice or whether another vehicle might better suit your needs. Before wrapping up, let's summarize what makes the 2026 Toyota Coaster stand out. First, it's built on a legacy of reliability that Toyota has established over decades. It offers a robust diesel engine that handles full passenger loads with confidence. The interior is designed for comfort and ease of use, with thoughtful ergonomics for both drivers and passengers. Toyota's global service network means maintenance and parts are widely available, and the vehicle's durability helps keep operating costs manageable. Safety features are comprehensive for its class, and the coaster's versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from school transport to tourism to community services. In closing, if you're in the market for a dependable, versatile, and well-engineered people mover for 2026, the Toyota Coaster deserves serious consideration. It may not be a luxury bus, but it's built to work hard and last long, a combination that's hard to beat in commercial transport. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Coaster, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Motor World USA for more reviews and insights, and leave a comment letting us know what vehicle you'd like us to cover next. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next